The production pipeline is a symphony of automation and human expertise, culminating in the rigorous testing of the oleo strut assembly.
Tolerance met. Dimensions confirmed.
Vanadium at 4.98, aluminum at 6.02.
Confirmed. It meets the high strength requirements.
Audio contains speech from a quality control worker giving a verbal confirmation, as explicitly described in both.
As the massive titanium billet reaches forging temperature, a robotic system sprays a ceramic coating to prevent oxidation. The 2-meter-long titanium billet is struck with tremendous force, instantly transforming the alloy into the
Check the Z-axis offset again, make sure it matches the spec.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance. We are ready for rough cutting. Align the view with this angle here.
Okay, the geometry matches perfectly.
The tolerances look good on the actuator housing.
Confirming alignment before the next sequence.
We're exceeding the operational load requirements now.
And maintaining structural integrity. The data looks excellent.
The compact actuator system moves toward the massive oleostrut assembly, signifying the crucial integration point of the two separate production processes.
Initiating load sequence. All parameters nominal.
Maximum compression achieved. Damping stable. Test complete.
Alignment is stable. Proceeding to seal the chamber.
Confirmed. Initiating cold soak sequence to -40. All systems nominal.
Okay, the manifest shows serial 429. That matches the component.
Confirmed. We can sign off on the transfer.
Check the alignment sequence for section 3-B.
Looks good. The hydraulic pressure is steady. Proceed with the hoist, maintaining current vector.
Guide it right slightly.
Okay, it's seated. Confirmed locked.
Tire pressure checks out on the main gear.
Strut extension levels are nominal. We are good for taxi.
The smooth, rapid folding action confirms the high performance of the integrated hydraulic systems, designated Product B.
Landing gear down.
The touchdown highlights the structural strength of the Su-35 gear. The oleo strut absorbs the kinetic energy.
Gear check complete. No leaks, no damage.
Confirmed. Mission accomplished.
All parameters are within tolerance. We have final certification on the actuator system.
The Su-35 performs a high G-force turn, testing the structural rigidity of the airframe.
In a cellular emergency, the pilot initiates weapon deployment.
We're looking closely at the main wheel hub temperature now.
Significant heat soak into the actuator mounts, but within limits. Confirmed thermal stability on the strut assembly.
Visual check complete on the hydraulic connections. No leakage detected.
Confirmed. The actuator system is fully secure.
A critical phase in the manufacturing of the Su-35 landing gear is the condition check of the oleo strut piston rod.
The actuator system performs flawlessly, confirming its readiness for 24/7 operational requirements, regardless of ambient visibility.
Precision engineering ensures the seamless integration of the Su-35's landing gear. Vital